The Volkswagen Touareg is a vehicle manufactured by the German automaker Volkswagen Group since 2002 at the Volkswagen Bratislava plant. This crossover SUV, designed to accommodate 5 passengers, takes its name from the nomadic Touareg people. In March 2018, Volkswagen unveiled the third generation of the Touareg, which places a strong emphasis on fuel efficiency. In February 2020, Volkswagen introduced the Touareg R, a plug-in hybrid version of the vehicle. This variant features a powertrain that combines a 3.0-liter V6 turbocharged petrol engine, a 136 horsepower electric motor, and a 14.1 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. The coupled power output of the system amounts to 462 horsepower and a torque of 700 Nm. In May 2023, Volkswagen introduced a facelift for the Touareg, which included several updates such as enhanced matrix LED headlights and a newly illuminated rear logo. The front of the Touareg showcases redesigned headlights featuring a distinctive triple L theme, which uses new matrix technology with micro LEDs. This technology, also found in the 2024 Porsche Cayenne, is known as IQ Light HD LED Matrix. Each headlight consists of an impressive 19 individually controllable micro LEDs, providing exceptional illumination during dark nights while preventing glare for approaching drivers. Additionally, the taillights have been updated to incorporate the same trio of L-shaped elements for a cohesive design. The current Touareg lineup exclusively features V6 engine, as the powerful V8 diesel engine previously used in the Bentley Bentayga and Audi SQ7 was discontinued after the last edition in 2020. There are 5 different versions available, starting with a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 gasoline engine producing 335 horsepower. On the diesel side, the 3.0-liter V6 TDI is offered in 2 power outputs, 228 horsepower and 282 horsepower. For those interested in an electrified powertrain, the hybrid combines a 3.0-liter V6 gasoline engine with an electric motor, resulting in a total output of 375 horsepower. The range-topping Touareg R takes the power up a notch to 456 horsepower, irrespective of the chosen engine. All variants of the Touareg are equipped with 4-motion all-wheel drive and an 8-speed automatic transmission as standard. The engineering team has made revisions to both the standard steel suspension and the optional air suspension, enhancing overall comfort. Additionally, a roof load sensor has been incorporated, allowing the onboard computers to optimize agility by transferring higher transverse forces based on the sensor's reading. Another notable addition is the availability of optional performance tires.